Hello students, let's continue our chapter 6, that is health and disease. So there are two types of disease बच्चे, communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease is spread from one person to another person. Kindly underline this paragraph. Communicable disease first through direct contact. When a healthy person comes direct in contact with the person that is having disease causing germs, for an example by sharing the clothing, towels or handkerchief etc. So the disease like chickenpox, measles, mumps can spread through the healthy person easily through air. When a person suffering from the disease like cough, sneeze, spit means thukna, so the disease causing germs spread in airs and come in contact with the healthy person and can cause common cold, flu and tuberculosis etc. Through contaminated food and water means ganda khana और पानी से. Food can be the source of germs, so everybody should wash the food before cooking, wash the fruit before eating them. Otherwise, the disease like typhoid, food poisoning, diarrhea, jaundice, etc. can be caused. Through animal bite. Some animals also carry the germs of the different disease in their body. For an example, बहुत अच्छा example आपके दिमाग में होगा, that is rabies. Rabies एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो dog bite से होती है. So one should get vaccine when dog bite. Through insect, the living organism carry the disease causing germs called vector. बच्चे underline this line. The living organism which carry disease causing germs called vector. जब ये वेक्टर किसी sick person में blood suck करते हैं, for an example when any fly or any vector sucks blood from the sick person and then sucks the blood to the healthy person, तो वो जो disease होती है वो spread हो जाती है one person to another, वो germs उसके अंदर भी चले जाते हैं. Anopheles mosquito, it is a female mosquito that can cause malaria. Some insect like housefly carry the disease causing germs on its feet because they sit on fitty garbage. गंदे से garbage में बैठते हैं and then sit on your food, maybe sit on your food, on your shoulder, on your skin and cause itching. So mosquitoes and houseflies are the most common vectors. Okay. Preventions of the communicable disease. What are those major factors which can be taken to prevent it? House waste should be thrown into the covered dustbin. See this boy. In fact, सबके घर में covered dustbin होगा. The surrounding must be clean. सारे surrounding साफ सुथरे होने चाहिए. आपका वातावरण साफ. Eat fresh and drink clean water. Water should not be allowed to collect on around the house. Water घर के आसपास कहीं भी गंदा पानी कलेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. Disinfectant and antiseptic should be used to destroy germs. Keep the house well ventilated. हवादार होना चाहिए. The doctor should be consulted immediately in case of animal bite or a disease. So I hope you all understand this. If not, first go through the video again and then also if any problem, come and get contact with your teachers. They'll give my number. I'll explain this chapter once again. Okay? Till then, stay home, stay safe.